Are leg cramps stealing your sleep at night? Do your muscles feel stiff and sore, making it harder to move freely? What if the secret to pain-free legs and stronger muscles was already sitting in your kitchen? Today, we reveal the top 3 powerful foods that prevent leg cramps in older adults and the science behind how they work. Welcome to Wisdom of Older Age, where we empower you with the best health, fitness, and life tips for living well after 60. If you are tired of leg cramps interrupting your peace, stick around. This video is packed with simple solutions that actually work. 1. Eggs, the ultimate muscle maintenance food. As we grow older, we naturally lose muscle mass and strength, a process called sarcopenia. This weakens our muscles and makes us more prone to painful spasms and cramps. Here's where eggs come in. 1 large egg contains 6 to 7 grams of high-quality protein. All 9 essential amino acids, critical for muscle repair. Vitamin D, which aids calcium absorption and improves muscle strength. Vitamin B12, which supports nerve function and reduces tingling, numbness, or spasms. Choline, a lesser-known nutrient that keeps the nervous system communicating properly with muscles. Many older adults are deficient in B12 and vitamin D, especially if you are indoors often or take certain medications. These deficiencies can quietly cause chronic cramps, fatigue, and poor muscle coordination. Egg. How to use it? Aim for 1 egg per day or 6 to 7 eggs per week. Scrambled, boiled, or in an omelette with vegetables, eggs are easy to digest and incredibly nutritious. Electric light bulb extra tip: if cholesterol is a concern, go for egg whites or alternate with high-protein plant foods. But recent studies show moderate egg consumption is safe for most seniors. 2. Bananas, your natural electrolyte drink. Leg cramps often happen because of electrolyte imbalances, especially low potassium and magnesium. These minerals are vital for your muscles to contract and relax smoothly. A medium banana gives you 422 milligrams of potassium, 32 milligrams of magnesium, vitamin B6, which helps absorb both minerals and supports nerve health. Low potassium is especially common in people who take diuretics for high blood pressure, have kidney problems, don't drink enough fluids, or sweat excessively. Even mild dehydration can lead to muscle twitching, spasms, and cramps, often during the night when your body is trying to recover. Banana. How to use it? Have 1 banana a day, especially in the evening, for muscle relaxation and a sleep-friendly snack. Electric light bulb extra tip: blend it into a smoothie with Greek yogurt or nut butter for added protein and magnesium. 3. Nuts and seeds, tiny foods, big benefits. Nuts and seeds are like natural multivitamins for your muscles. They contain magnesium, which calms overactive nerves and relaxes tight muscles. Potassium, for balanced muscle contractions. Calcium, for bone and nerve support. Omega-3 fatty acids, which improve circulation and reduce inflammation. Poor blood flow is another hidden cause of leg cramps, especially if you sit for long periods or have diabetes or vascular issues. The healthy fats in nuts improve vascular flexibility, helping blood flow more easily to your legs. Peanut. Best choices. Almonds, great for magnesium and vitamin E. Pumpkin seeds, high in magnesium and iron. Walnuts, excellent source of omega-3s. Flax or chia seeds, for fiber, minerals, and anti-inflammatory effects. Avoid salted or sugar-coated varieties. Go for raw or dry roasted versions. Open hands sign portion guide. One small handful, about 1 ounce, per day, or 2 tablespoons of seeds sprinkled on oatmeal, yogurt, or soup. Electric light bulb extra tip. Soak raw nuts in water overnight to make them easier to digest. Let's not forget the most overlooked cause of leg cramps, dehydration. As we age, our thirst response weakens, and many older adults drink too little water. Even mild dehydration can trigger cramps, confusion, fatigue, and kidney issues. Droplet make it a habit to drink 6 to 8 cups of water daily, more if you sweat or are on medications that dehydrate. You can also hydrate with coconut water, rich in potassium, herbal teas, broths and soups. Wrap up the 3-food formula. Let's bring it all together. If you want to fight leg cramps naturally and build strength as you age, remember these 3 foods. White heavy checkmark eggs for muscle repair, nerve function and vitamin D. White heavy checkmark bananas for potassium, hydration and muscle relaxation. White heavy checkmark nuts and seeds for mineral balance, healthy circulation and anti-cramp fats. They're easy to add to your routine, gentle on your digestion, and powerful for your aging body. If this video helped you, do me a favor. While pointing backhand index, click the like button. It tells YouTube that seniors need more content like this. Speech balloon comment below, what's your go-to food or remedy when leg cramps strike? I'd love to hear your story. Bell and don't forget to subscribe to Wisdom of Older Age for more simple, science-backed tips to feel stronger, sleep better, and age with grace. Until next time, stay wise, stay well, and take care of those wonderful legs.